In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use flex budgeting in Monarch Money. Flex budgeting is a great way to manage your finances more dynamically and be prepared for changes in your income or expenses. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to head over to Monarch Money's website. Once you're there, navigate to the budget section. If you're new to using Monarch Money, you'll need to set up your budget first. Look for the Create My Budget button and click on it. This is the perfect starting point if you're diving into the flex budgeting feature for the first time. After you've clicked Create My Budget, you'll need to find and select the settings icon located in the upper right corner. From there, click on Start Setup. This option will guide you through the initial processes necessary for setting up your budget. In the setup phase, one of the steps involves adding a group. This grouping feature allows you to categorize your expenses or incomes, giving you a clearer picture of where your money is going and helping to keep things organized. Once your groups are set, go ahead and click Continue. As you move through the setup, you'll encounter a choice in budgeting methods. While there are several options, I'll demonstrate using one specific approach for this example, which you may find useful for your needs. After selecting your method, keep clicking Continue as you are prompted to do so throughout the setup steps. You'll soon reach a stage where you can type in the amount for fixed expenses. This part of the setup is crucial because fixed expenses are the unchanging, recurring costs you need to account for each month. Next, you'll have an opportunity to select the frequency of your expenses. This means you can choose how often certain bills are paid, weekly, monthly, or even annually. Having these details set accurately will ensure your budget aligns well with your real financial situation. You'll then reach a section where you're prompted to input a target amount. This target is an aspirational figure you aim to stay within. It's like setting a spending cap for yourself on certain variable expenses. Afterward, make sure to type in your total monthly budget. This figure represents the overall amount you expect to spend or save in a given month. Typing it in here sets the full budget stage, ensuring your spending aligns with your financial goals. Finally, proceed by continuing through the prompts and conclude the setup process by clicking View My Budget. At this point, you've successfully set up your flex budget in Monarch Money, providing you with tailored insights that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Congratulations on taking this important step towards better financial control with flex budgeting in Monarch Money. Remember, revisiting your budget regularly will keep you on track and prepared for any changes or surprises in your financial landscape.